I'll be showing you my Nerf Adventure Force Scorpion. So this is how you hold. Well, I kind of modified it where I took this right here off of this top one right here. You can see. You can see it's just a chain now. And then there's that.
Just wait, let me show you something else.
Here's my new modern sniper rifle. I put a new stock on it and a sight. So, and now it shoots a bit better. So, see you guys later.